Have you ever noticed that some athletes have a longer ring finger than their index finger? This phenomenon is known as the digit ratio or the 2D, 4D ratio, which refers to the ratio of the length of the index finger to the length of the ring finger. While it may seem like a small detail, the length of an athlete's fingers can actually provide insight into their athletic abilities. Finger length is determined during fetal development and is influenced by the amount of hormones that we are exposed to in the womb, particularly testosterone. Higher levels of testosterone during fetal development are associated with longer ring fingers, while lower levels are associated with shorter ring fingers. Therefore, athletes who have longer ring fingers may have been exposed to higher levels of testosterone in the womb. Testosterone is a hormone that is closely linked with athletic performance. It is responsible for the development of male characteristics such as increased muscle mass, bone density, and strength. It has been suggested that athletes who are exposed to higher levels of testosterone during fetal development may have certain advantages when it comes to athletic performance. In fact, research has found that athletes in certain sports tend to have a higher digit ratio than non-athletes. For example, a study published in the Journal of Sports Sciences found that male rowers had a significantly higher digit ratio than non-athletes. Similarly, another study found that male soccer players had a higher digit ratio than non-athletes. However, it's worth noting that not all studies have found a significant difference in digit ratio between athletes and non-athletes, and the relationship between finger length and athletic ability is still being studied. It's important to remember that finger length is just one of many factors that contribute to athletic performance. While a longer ring finger may indicate exposure to higher levels of testosterone during fetal development, it does not guarantee that someone will be a successful athlete. Other factors such as training, nutrition, and genetics also play important roles in athletic performance. In conclusion, the length of an athlete's ring finger may provide some insight into their athletic abilities, but it's important to remember that there are many factors that contribute to athletic performance. While it's fascinating to learn about the relationship between finger length and testosterone, it's also important to remember that every athlete is unique and has their own set of strengths and weaknesses.